Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pratyusha Das. If you guys are new to my channel, then go and watch my previous videos as well. So today I am going to create the soft glam Eid makeup look. So without further ado, let's move on to this. At first I am using the Good Vibes pomegranate toner for rejuvenating my skin. And you have to wait for it, let it dry it for 5 minutes. For step 2, now I am using the Lakme Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. For step 3, I'll be setting my 2 eyelids with the help of LA Girls Pro Concealer.
싶을 때 내가 보고 싶을 때 또 네가 많이 아플 때 이 노래를 들어줘 절대 추운 날은 없을 거야 Cause I'll be with you 오늘도 좋은 꿈만 꿨으면 좋겠어 baby Barefoot Take off your shoes and step in the bed
For step 4, I'll be using the gel eyeliner from Music Flower and the shade is brown and I'll be applying it on my 2 eyebrows. For next step, I'll be using the loose powder from Lakme and this is the rose powder and I'll be using it for my eyeshadow step because the excess eyeshadow powder. So for eyeshadow, I'll be using the Color Board Beauty Glazed eyeshadow and first I'm choosing the base color for setting my eyelids. And for my crease line, I'll be choosing the brown shade. And for next step, I'll be choosing the lighter orange shade. So now I am using again the concealer, the LA Girls concealer for the glitter eyeshadow. And for the next step, I am choosing the silvery glitter eyeshadow for my middle eyelids. And again I am choosing the same orange shade for the perfect blending all the shades. And next I'll be using the brown shade for the blending with my glitter shades. And next I am using the same brown shade for my lower eyelids. And for next step, for the excess I'll be dust off with the help of the fluffy brush. And now I am using the same eyeliner for my lower eyelid. And guys, this step will be very helpful for you and for especially those who have small eyes like me, because it helps you to look bigger, that the intense eye look, the bold eye look. And with the help of a small flat brush, it will help you to get a more intense look on your lower eyelids. Now I am using the same eyeliner for doing my eyeliner look. Then I am using the mascara from Swiss Beauty. And now it's time for face makeup, and I'm using the Maybelline 24 Hours Super Stay Foundation, and the shade is Gold. And then I'm using the contour from 3D, and it's the dual stick. It has two shades, and I'm using now the darker brown shade. And now I'm using the Lakme Compact for setting my face makeup. And for lipstick, I'm using the Matte Lip Swiss Beauty Peachy Pink shade lipstick. And last step is highlighter, and it's from Swiss Beauty and the shade is Rose Gold. And I think the face makeup is incomplete without the jewelry, and here is the jewelry.
If this makeup look
And
helpful for you,
here it goes.
then don't
It
forget
is the
to
final
like this
look
video
with the
and
jewelry.
to like, comment and share. And please do subscribe the red button, the subscribe button. Hit the button and keep supporting like this, guys. Till that, stay tuned and stay safe, stay home. Bye bye. See you again on the next one.